How to fix Roblox error code 529. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can fix Roblox error code 529 on your device. There might be several reasons why this kind of error occurs. Along with that, there are various different methods to fix it. So I'm going to be showing you some of the easiest way on how you can fix it, so make sure to watch this video till the end and stick with us till the end of this video. So then, to begin with, first of all, you can always go ahead and check your status or check the status of Roblox. So sometimes this issue might usually occur because of the status or the server down. So it might be occurring not only on your device, might be occurring all over the world or certain part of the country. So what you can do is, first of all, go to or open up a browser and then the web address, type in status.blocks. This is gonna take you to the page where it's gonna show you the status or the server Roblox. So right over here, you can just go ahead and check all of the issues, and if it seems to be an issue from the server itself, then you'll be able to see it right over here, and there's no other option than to wait until the issue gets resolved. If the status seems to be fine, what else you can do is you can also go ahead and check your internet connection. So for that, you need to open up settings page. After you open up the settings page, it's going to take you to the settings. Here you can need to go to internet or network and internet from the left hand side bar, and over here you need to go to Wi-Fi. So right over here, you need to make sure that you're connected to an internet service. If you're already connected to an internet service and you still seems to be having an issue with the server, with the internet, then what you can do is you can just go to your internet or just open it up, and then you can just run the troubleshooter. So for that, you need to scroll down a bit and go to advanced Wi-Fi network properties, click on edit, or you can just go ahead and check all of the information, and you can just go ahead and select one of these, click on the OK button. So you can also detect the issue by tapping on troubleshooter. So after that, you'll need to click on troubleshooter and it's gonna detect the issue. You'll need to select some alternative and it's gonna fix your issue. If this is not the issue, what else you can do is you can try launching the Roblox game in some other devices. If your device, now sometimes be an application that has an issue, but it might be the device that has an actual issue. You can try launching it to a different device, such as play on other devices like mobile phone or maybe other PC, and try fixing it and try logging in. And if you're able to play the game, it seems that your device actually has the problem and not the application. So what you can do is you can just go ahead and restart your PC one more time, and after that you can re-log in into your account, and that's gonna fix the issue all at once. If none of these seems to be working, then you can need to directly get a support team's help. You'll need to state about the issue and they'll look into your matter within 24 hours, and they'll state about the issue and you'll be able to solve your issue all at once. So in this way, you can fix your 529 error code. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.